Hello, friends. Hello. How's your day? Mine's going okay. It's just getting started. I'm actually supposed to be at my part-time job today, but I can't get behind, so I'm working Friday instead. So today, we're going to finish up this Buick LaSabre. You saw the first two videos on it. The first one was the headliner we did on that. Then I did the interior detail. Part of the problem with this vehicle was the adhesive, so we're going to check that out. At the same time, we're going to review a product because Autozone has decided they want to change the market a little bit. So let's see. So we called Autozone to put in an order for some Goof Off, and I'll show you all of the tape remnants and all of that here in just a second. And they said they don't carry that anymore. They have a new product. This is what I have a problem with big corporations. You try to change the products and all you're doing is messing with the trust that they have in you. You're not changing the market. So we're gonna review it. They sent us this. It's Goof Off. And it better be more than just Goof Off. That's all I got to say because I have cars to do. I ain't got time to be messing around with new products that don't work, especially at this price, Autozone. Anyway, so here is all of the tape remnants. Now I got a majority of it off of here, but you can still see, and this is just, we don't know, I don't know, it's like a stain or something. But anyway, I got a majority of this off with some turtle wax bug and tar remover. Mothers and turtle wax are really good about getting adhesive off of surfaces, but it did not do anything for this rubber surface. So hopefully this Goof Off handles that. We also have some along here and along the paint there. So I do have quite a bit of work cut out for me on this one, but this is not it. And I'm going to work on some of that a little more too. It's on this driver door also. And it's on the rubber. That is the worst place. So let's get started. We're going to try and take this adhesive off. It's old, so who knows. Real quick, let me show you. A lot of this came off, but it left this. So I'm going to try and work on that and see if we can't get it off. We'll see. I don't know. So this adhesive is not so much sticky anymore as it is just dried and ridiculous. I used the steamer on it. It did not help. I used the plastic scraper with the bug and tar remover. That did not help. So hopefully with some elbow grease, a towel, and Goof Off, we'll be able to get it off. I'm sorry, I don't like it when people change things like that. You remember all the times I told you, save your dirty towels? This is one of those jobs. Save them. I'm not kidding. Don't waste your money trying to dirty up a good one. So, it's nothing but a spray. I don't like that. So we'll see. Smells like gas. Oh. Smells like gasoline. I'm not kidding. For something that freaking potent and stinky, you would think it would work. It's not working. gonna be here all day. Gugon would have had this crap off of there. This stuff is not, I tell you right now, I don't like it. It's an awful lot of work.
Huh?
It's an awful lot of work.
Yeah.
This crap is for the junkyard.
Oh, yeah.
It's an awful lot of work.
Holy cow. I didn't realize that was that bad.
It's bad. Good. This is gonna take off most of the day. This stuff dries as soon as you spray it on.
Really?
It's not worth it. Totally not worth it. And it takes a lot of elbow grease, and the only way I can keep it to go is to spray it on my towel. Yeah.
You ready to try this?
Yes! Awesome. It's
Here's
break.
a stupid idea.
What?
Would that eraser wheel work on it better?
I don't know, but it's worth a try. Now that you say that.
Look at that. Smells like burning rubber.
It is. It's rubber. There you go.
And then it's just a matter of wiping that off with this. Ha ha!
Well, now wait a minute. You still got rubber on there.
Not as dumb as I look.
That's debatable.
Yeah, well. You'd have been here all afternoon with a rag
I have.
and a half a bottle of Gugon, and
I'm like, shit.
at 4:30 this afternoon, you'd be over here standing in a puddle of Gugon trying to wipe that shit off.
Shut the hell up. Yeah, that didn't come off. Come on, smartass.
All right, well, just look out. I didn't do that.
That's good enough for you, right?
It is.
Okay.
That's a lot faster. If all else fails, power tools.
Yeah.
How did they even? Oh.
So this is the driver door. It's not coming out in the camera. There's not as much on this side as there was. And then, as I said, we have this. So we'll see what we can get done there. So far, it should go in the trash. So with the idea of the rubber wheel, seems to be working better than both of them combined. So it'll leave little residue spots like that. And they just won't come off. They're flush. It's just a spot. It's like a white spot, like a discoloration. So once you have all that off, of course, once you have all the gunk off, that's where we take a Sharpie and cover it up. Since there's nothing we can do about that residue, and it doesn't do any good to paint the rubber, we'll just color it in. Why not just leave it the way it is? We've done that too. Sometimes you just need to cover it up. It looks better if you cover it up. But don't do this if you have the adhesive on there. Like right here, this adhesive is still there. So there it is, guys. It's off. For the most part, these kinds of adhesive things, when you have that much, you're going to have residue of some kind stay behind, or discoloration, as I showed you. Anyway, as you see, it is off of there. Dad's idea to use the rubber wheel was actually not a bad idea. So maybe we found a new use for it, you know? Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. If you'll take a second to hit that subscribe button, I would love to have you. And until the next video, guys, we'll see you later.